Hi and welcome along to the channel again. Hope you're doing okay. Thanks a lot for popping by, taking a look at the BMW Z3, and what we're going to be doing is refitting the outer sills on our Z3. See now, I've got my replacement sills here. Gave them a couple of coats of lacquer as well, just to help protect them. And now I'm going to see how well it fits, because I know that there's a few that I'm probably going to have to drill and re-tap, but I thought if I bring it into place, fasten it, or at least hang it on the top hangers, we can see what it looks like and then work out any other fixing that I need to solve and get working. So I'll give that a go and let's see what it looks like. Just remembered I'd fastened the sides back up for driving, so I need to undo these two again so that the rear panel can flap a little bit. And there's one of the supporting pieces goes on the inside of this rear panel. I think that'll work. I think I've got to do this with the door open. Yeah, it's got to be with the door open, hasn't it? Not quite sure how you do this. You've got to kind of move it all at the same time, which seems almost impossible. Let me keep trying and I'll come back to you when I've figured it out. With another pair of hands and being able to open the door completely, the door had to be all the way out so that that one would fit. You can see I've just put in a couple of bolts just to hold it in place. Now I'm just going to start fastening up, putting some of the bolts back in. There's a couple that hide behind this panel, so I'm going to get those two in first, then the ones down here and at the front, and then have a look at the ones underneath, because it's the ones underneath that I think I might need to drill and tap. You can see it's all starting to bolt back up again. Just trying to do as many of these, trying to remember the sequence as well. It's very difficult to do this with a camera as well. Should have brought the tripod, but never mind. Now I need to solve this because you can see this isn't quite lined up properly, but I think it's just a combination of getting that and that pulled into line, and then there's a screw that fits in there, which hopefully I can kind of get my hand in, get that bolt through, and that'll pull that back in, pull that in like that, you see, and that's then lined up. A few of these aren't quite lining up, but they should just pull in when I start to bolt them in, so I'm going to do that. I've managed to line it up. Basically have to do it in a certain sequence. The front ones seem to go in first and then the rest. Now something else I just remembered is a lot of these snapped. These are, oops, try not to scratch it, at least this is hidden, but these are plastic panel clips, so I need to get them out because the side skirt kind of goes on and then slides, so we need these out. I need to see if I've got some replacements. I'm not sure if I've got anything that work like that. I'll have to have a look and see, but all of these need to come out. I've put the electrical connector back in for the side repeater bulb, and this needs to go into place. Now I've been struggling trying to work out how to hook it in, because this needs to hook onto the fitting here. It's taken me a while to figure this one out until it dawned on me that if I just lift the bonnet, of course this section is attached to it and it makes it nice and easy. I'd forgotten about that. That's a problem with taking things apart ages ago and coming back to them later. So now this can go on here, and you can see it kind of hangs on. Oh, there's a one to go down there, and then I can get those bolts in and get that fastened and lined up. And the sneaky little one that if you open the door, there it is hiding in there. Let's get that one on. I need to try to remember what fastens the front. I'm sure there's one that goes in that I think I need to pull the arch liner out a bit and get in similar to the rear, but I just can't find it. And there we go, you can see the sills are back on, and I'd say they are a pretty good colour match. I'm really quite pleased with how those have worked out, and refitting them, not too bad at all. I didn't end up having to drill and fit any of the bolts underneath. There are maybe one or two that are missing, but certainly not enough to be worried about. So I think we'll call that a success. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Pop a comment or a like down the bottom, it really helps the channel out, and I'll see you on the next video.